If you are tired of working for the others and you would like to establish your own business and make money online, this is the video that could help you. In this video, I want to tell you how to find your skills and how to generate ideas to make money online. Subscribe in my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet, and also like this video and share it with your friends, family, colleagues if you like it, and with everyone who wants to be a better salespeople or business owners. How many people do you know that they are working just with their laptop, notebook, cell phone, mobile, and they could start their work when they themselves want and they finish it when they decide? They know themselves how long do they work, how motivated they be, and the other thing. They are going to decide themselves for themselves. Do you want to be one of them? Then this video is exactly what you are looking for. If you want to be your own boss, you need to have your own business, and one of the best and easiest way is making money online. Now imagine you are hired by a company. This company will tell you what to do and how to do it. For example, let's imagine you are hired by a marketing agency, okay? A marketing agency will tell you how to write and also what to write. Then the marketing agency is going to sell and offer what you are creating, what you are writing and preparing to a customer. Okay, why you are not going to sell and offer what you know directly to the customer? Now, if you could find your first client, which I'm going to tell you how, you are going to find your first client. Maybe 2 months later, you are going to have your second client. Maybe next year, you are going to have your 5th client. And 2 years later, you will have 15 clients, also 2 employees. And 2 or 3 years later, you will have your marketing agency. It is exactly how we could start a business and how we could develop a business from when it is a seed. Do you know how to create a content in the social media? I am sure you have seen many good YouTubes, many good LinkedIn posts, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and so on, the other posts. Some of them are text, some of them are tube or movies, and some of them are audio. Do you think that all of them are getting done by the account owner? No. Most of them are getting bought by them. It means that the account owner will pay some people who create contents for them. For example, create maybe a LinkedIn post about business, about gaming, about sport, or maybe about music, about everything. But all of them are getting done by the others. Can you create contents? Can you create, for example, a text which could be as a post in LinkedIn, YouTube, maybe Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and others? What about the audio? Can you speak in front of a microphone? Can you make a tube or YouTube? For example, imagine you are a fan of gaming. Why you are not creating some YouTube about gaming and sell your services to the people who are looking for what you can do? Content creation today is something that many people are looking for. Individual people, business people, and everyone who wants to have an income and make money online. It means that when some people are making money online, for example, a YouTuber or maybe an account owner in the LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and the others, you could do it also. Social media is not limited at all. It is a very wide range of platforms and also scopes. For example, different kind of platforms which I told you in economic, in sport, in music, in business, in academic, in educational, and so on. It depends in which one are you interested in and also are the most related to your skills, to your arts, and to what you know and you want to get deep in it more. Okay, now let's go to the third one, the third choice that you have. It is e-commerce. Yes, e-commerce is something that you could do it. What is e-commerce? One question before going through it. What is your skill? what is your art, or what is something, characteristics maybe, that many people around you, maybe your family, your relatives, your friends, your colleagues, come and ask about that from you. For example, maybe you know how to do cooking, maybe you know how to play a music instrument, maybe you know a sport very good, or maybe you know how to do business, or maybe you know how to, for example, make a fashion very great. Everything that you know, what is exactly the point, the skill, the art, the thing that other people believe you are good in that? Find that. Then you could make that as your business and start selling them through the e-commerce. When you are going to offer your product or your service through the internet and web and also e-commerce, it is exactly what we call it e-selling or e-commerce. Imagine you could cook really great. Imagine you are a good tailor. Imagine you are good in, for example, sport. Imagine you could teach others, for example, in mathematics. Imagine you could play music very good. Each of them are one thing that you could sell it by e-commerce. But how could I sell it? Should I have my own website? Should I have my own shop? How could I sell it? It is very easy. There are many platforms that help you to sell it for free, and when you sell it, then they will get commission from you. You could find them very easy, and if you want me to help you, please comment below. I will tell you based on the idea that you have. It is very important to know that what is your skill, what is your art, and what is your idea that you want to sell it through the e-commerce. Then I can help you and tell you what is exactly the e-commerce platform which helps you. Okay, now the most interesting part. How could I find my first client? How could I have my client? I am supposed to make my business and develop it day by day. I told you, maybe now you have your first client. Okay, 2 months later, second client, maybe next year, third or fourth client, and 2 years later, you are going to have 10 clients as well as 2 employees. It means that you are going to have your own business and develop it day by day, minute by minute. Who knows? What about 5 years later, 10 years later? Maybe you are so famous and also well known in your industry as an entrepreneur, and there are many people who are come and ask you about your success secret. Yes, many people have started from this stage, but now let's go through how to find your first client. There are 3 main ways for finding your first client. The first one is very easy. Please let all of the people around you, your family, your friend, your colleague, your relatives, and everyone know that what you are offering, what is your skill, what is your art, what is your job, what is your business, what is your product or service. Let them all know. Do not be shy at all. Everywhere you go, in the party, in the class, in the course, everywhere you go, advertise what you have and let them know. What about the second one? Second one is social media. While you are offering your services and your product and your skill and your art, everything you have, to the other people who could be a business or individuals, but however, the nature of them is business, because whether they are business or whether they are individual, they are doing business by your skill, by your art, by your offer, product or service. That's why the nature of them is business, and you are going to be a business also. It is B2B, business to business. Then I recommend you to open a LinkedIn profile if you do not have it yet, and then in their LinkedIn profile, every day at 8 o'clock of morning, please make a post, create a post which contains an image or maybe a video or maybe an audio or a text and will tell about your offer, about your service, and about your product and what you have to help others. It is very important to let the others know what you have. Two things in business while you are starting a business or while you are developing your business could help you. The first, hardworking. The second, telling others what you have to offer loudly. And LinkedIn, or maybe the other platform, but I recommend you LinkedIn, could help you to be. Then find the groups, the community in the LinkedIn that are very close to your arts. For example, if you are in the sport, try to get connected and member of the groups in the LinkedIn which are active in the, for example, sport, in the music, in the fashion, in what you are in the field, in your field exactly. And then try to engage with their post, and then try to get connected with the people who are in the same place, in the same interest actually. Then step by step you are going to offer what you have, you are going to introduce yourself, you are going to do branding, personal branding and business branding. While we are doing branding, we do personal branding, which is our own name, and also business branding. Personal branding and business branding help each other to grow. What is the third way for finding your clients? You need to find all of the communities that contains the most people are related to what you are offering. Maybe it is in Instagram, maybe it is in Facebook, maybe it is something in your municipality, I mean physically, or maybe some events that are getting down around you. Everything. Just search in the internet, search in the Google, search in the YouTube and other motor searcher, and find all of the communities which are related to what you are offering. Try to participate in all of them. While you are participating, do your best for networking. Try to know people as much as you can and try to help people to know you as much as you can. It means networking. Because as you know, business needs communication and networking. When you are doing communication and networking, time by time, step by step, you are going to make and create trust and rapport, what you need in your business. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumb up, share it with your friends, family, colleagues, relatives, everyone who wants to know something more about business and be a very successful salesperson. And also subscribe in my YouTube channel if you haven't done it yet. In this YouTube channel, I try to make the best contents to help you to be a better salesperson and also business owner.